that central angle is double of the circumference angle. Now I will prove the angles are in the same segment. Angles are in a same segment are equal. Okay, we'll prove it. First of all, students, a circle, just consider the arc PQ. Consider the arc PQ, and one point, Aharit is there. Aharit, you are in the call. Aharit Basu, okay, Aharit Basu is typing. So just watch it, okay, carefully watch it. That are PQ arc, and that PQ arc subtend an angle at point R. So it makes an angle that is PRQ, and another angle, and in that segment that is S. So PSQ. Okay, what is our required proof? We have to prove that angle PRQ equal to angle PSQ. And students, tell me that PRQ and PSQ have a name that I use that term in. Sir, your video is not visible to me. Why? We have to join PQ. No, Riddhita, no need to join. Just Arit, cut the call and rejoin it. And that is the center, that circle having center O. Okay, no need to join, just watch it. So what is given? That angle PRQ and angle PSQ. What to be proved? Sir, these two angles are equal. And what type of angles they are? That two angles are in the same segment. They are in the same segment. Okay, so this we have to prove. Is it clear? What to be proved? Is it clear? Quickly. Yes, very good, Raima, Riddhita, very good. Shubham, yes. Sohelika, very good. Protoy, Ritika, okay. Pratik, where is Pratik? Okay, Sneha. And Sneha, your answer is that equation of x-axis. I think you have asked that, sir, what is the equation of x-axis? That equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Okay, got it? Sneha, it is your question. That what is the equation of x-axis? That is y equal to 0. Okay. The very much difficult question. That's why I have taken 7 or 8 days or 10 days. It is not an easy question. Okay. That's why I have taken so much time. Okay, Sneha. So PRQ and PSQ. These two angles, we have to prove this angle. Okay. Now just joint OP and OQ. Okay. What is that angle? Tell me. What is that angle? Central angle. So you can say, sir, angle POQ equal to 2 into angle PRQ. Is it equal? Is it true? Yes, Sneha, Raima, Vivek, well done. Ornesa, Riddhita, okay. Riddhita. It is the reason of angles POQ equal to 2 into PRQ same segment, Riddhita. Is that reason? Okay, tell me why a POQ equal to 2 into PRQ? POQ, that is O. Why POQ equal to PRQ? Tell me. POQ equal to 2 into PRQ. It means the reason is that central angle is double of the circumference angle. Central angle is double of the circumference angle. What I have proved it earlier in the previous video. You have seen that central angle is double of the circumference angle. In the similarly, just mark it as 1. Mark it as 1. Okay. And POQ, that angle, this is the circumference angle, PQ segment, and 2 into PSQ. Any problem? Any problem? The central angle is double of the circumference angle. Now just that is number 1 and number 2. Students, look at the board. The equation 1 and equation 2, these sides are, these two are equal. POQ equal to PQ. Two equations are there. POQ equal to 2 of PRQ. POQ equal to 2 of PSQ. I have told you one theory that Ram equal to 2 and Sam equal to 2. What can you say? Tell me in the chat box. Ram equal to 2 and Sam equal to 2. By this statement, you can say, sir, Ram equal to Sam. Okay? Ram, yes, very good, Riddhita. Ram equal to Sam. Okay. So here that is 2 and that is 2. Here Ram and here is Sam. Okay. So as the left hand side, one equation, if the left hand sides or right hand sides are equal, if left hand sides are equal, then right hand sides are also be equal. It is mandatory. So these two are equal. So you can say, sir, 2 into angle PRQ equal to 2 into angle PSQ. Got it? Any problem, anyone? Any problem? Yes, Ram equal to Sam. Very good, Sneha. You got that theory. PRQ equal to PSQ. Okay, now just remove 2. So angle PRQ equal to angle PSQ. That is our required proof. Any problem? Any problem? Uttam. Okay, Uttam is today online. Very good, Subham. Spriya, any problem? Trisa, yeah, not problem. Okay. Soilika, no problem. Okay, very good. Understood. Any problems, Spriha? Suhit, any problem? Suhit Chatterjee. Suhit, Protoy, very good. No, Pratik, okay, very good. No problems, sir. Very good, beta. Suhit is typing. Suhit and Aharit, no problem. Aharit also, no problem, sir. And Aharit, now you can see the board. Or now you can see the board. Okay, very good. Okay, now next. So I am rubbing that portion. Next, angles. Semicircle angle is what? 90, 180, 100. Tell me, semicircle angle is what? Tell me quickly, all of you. 180 degree, Riddhita. Very good, Subham. Very good, Spriha. Okay. So first right answer comes from. Okay, so all are you giving that 180? Very good, Ritam, Sruhit, Aharit also. Very good, Riddhita, what you have said? That semicircle angle is 180 degree. That answer is not expected from you, beta. Now Aharit is saying, sir, no, sir, 90 degree. It is not 180 degree. I thought the angle of diameter. No, that is not called semicircle angle. Okay, so semicircle angle is 90 degree. That theory, when just I'm talking, when I was okay. Now semicircle angle is 90 degree. Okay, now I have drawn a circle here and having center O. Now PQ is the diameter. Okay, so diameter divides the circle into two equal parts. And with diameter the upper part is called semicircle. It means that one. Okay, and with semicircle lower part, with that diameter, the lower part is also called semicircle. Pronunciation is too much tough. Okay, very good. Okay, so POQ, got it? The semicircle concept, that is with diameter upper part, with diameter lower part. Now just make an angle at the circumference, that is R, PRQ. PRQ, it is an angle. Now students, what is that angle? That is angle POQ. You have already told you before, that's 180 degree. Okay, just think about that point, that arc PQ, subtend an angle at the center, that is POQ. So that is central angle, so it is the central angle and its value is 180 degree, and that arc PQ makes subtend an angle at the circumference, that is PRQ. It is the circumference angle, and we have learned that the central angle is double of the circumference angle. So central angle, that is POQ, equal to 2 into PRQ. Got it? Or any problem? POQ equal to 2 into PRQ. Now just change the side. It means just left hand side, write it in the, oh my God, time is only 10 minutes we have. 2 into angle PRQ equal to angle POQ. Okay, POQ. Now 2 into PRQ. First of all, we have proof, that is PRQ equal to 90 degree. That is our required proof. PRQ is 90 degree. That is 180 degree. And angle PRQ 180 by 2, that is 90 degree. Got it? Got that point? That PRQ is 90 degree. Okay, so we have reached that proof. So is any problem? Harit, Spriha, Raima. Okay, Raima, Shubham have written, sir. Yes, sir, got. Very good. Sneha, Ornesa, Sohelika, Ritika, tell me. Vivek, Protoy. Aharit answer. Yes, sir. Okay, very good. Aharit and Suhid, two monitors, two important monitors in my class. Okay, now Trisha got it. Very good. Very good, Ritika. Just easy proof. That is central angle, it is the circumference angle. Central angle is double angle. This angle is 180 degree. That's why it is 90 degree. Got it? Okay. Yes, I have remembered everything. Okay. So tell me, Suhid, what will be the value of that angle? This question for Suhid. What will be the value of that angle? Okay, Priya is typing something. "90 degree, very good. Uttam is typing. Okay, Priya, any problem? Okay, okay. Okay, without hesitation, you can see, you can say, not see, you can say anything. Then in which any line, if you have any problem, you can tell me. Uttam is typing. What he is typing? Essay or in paragraph? Okay, okay, okay. So I am leaving that semicircle angle is 90 degree. Now, students, exercise 10.5, exercise 10.5, question number 11 I have not solved. Okay, up to question number 10 I have solved, or 11 I have solved. Tell me, Riddhita, write it. 11 I will solve. Okay. 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 Now one line, one triangle. That is ABC. That is 90 degree. Question number 11. And ADC, that is 90 degree. You have to prove that angle CAD, just match it. Just match, students. I have not seen the now I am not seeing the book. Just from my memory I am telling you, CAD equal to angle CBD. Is it right? Two right angle triangle having common and hypotenuse AC, you have to prove CAD equal to CBD. Is it true? Okay. So two right angles ABC and ADC, two right angles are given and one common hypotenuse, that is AC. So we have to prove that angle CAD, that angle, and CBD. So for getting CBD, you have to join that portion. Okay. This we have to prove. So what is the proof? That CAD and CBD are equal. First of all, student, just a few minutes ago we have learned that the semicircle angle is 90 degree. Okay, got it? Now AC is the common chord, sorry, not common chord, common hypotenuse. AC and AC. So as it is 90 degree, you can say, sir, that points A, B, D, C are on a circle. Okay, got it everyone? Now as it is circle, so you can say, sir, CD is the chord. CD is the chord. As it is 90 degree, it is a circle. All the points A, B, C, D, C, these points are cyclic, concyclic. So it is a circle and CD is the chord. CD is the chord, cyclic quadrilateral. Yes, cyclic quadrilateral. And CD is the chord. So as CD is the chord, so you can say, sir, angle CAD equal to angle CBD. Why? Tell me the reason, with except Riddhita and Vivek. Tell me, except Riddhita and Vivek. CAD and CBD, as CD is the chord, you can say CAD equal to CBD. Riddhita and Vivek, tell me, except this, CD is the segment. No. Suhit, yes, very good, Suhit, very good. CD chord, so two angles in the same segment. Reason is two angles in the same segment. Angles in the same segment. So angle CAD equal to angle BAD. Got it everyone? Aharit, Spriha, Prattoy, Sneha. Okay. Very easy proof. As it is circle, CD is the chord. With CD, two circles, two angles are equal because angles are in the same segment. And last one, question number 12. Question number 12, just check it. Question number 12, it is given that a cyclic parallelogram, ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. We have to prove that ABCD, only 3 minutes we are in our hand, is a rectangle. Okay, that is the sum number 12. Yes or no? Tell me that ABCD is a rectangle, ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. So we have to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, first of all, tell me, parallelogram means what do you know about parallelogram? Tell me. What do you know about Sohelika? Sohelika will say. Sohelika, what do you know about parallelogram? Tell me. Any property? Actually, I am asking you a property. Any property of parallelogram? Tell me. From class 6, class 5. Opposite sides are equal. Okay. Opposite diagonals bisect each other. Okay. And no comments from the Sohelika. I am getting that comments from the other students. 6 people are typing. Okay. Opposite sides equal as well as parallel. Very good, Riddhita. Okay. Anything? Shubham answer a good point that opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. Okay, opposite angles are equal. Okay, okay, opposite sides are equal. Consecutive angles of parallel supplement. Very good. Good comments. That these two angles, sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. Okay. Anything else? Raima, but that question is allotted for Sohelika. She is not okay. It is a simple quadrilateral, two pairs of parallel side. Okay, simple quadrilateral, not complex. It is a simple quadrilateral. Very good. Okay, Sohelika, do you know the meaning of that simple words? Okay, if I ask simple, what is the meaning of that simple? Riddhita? Can you say that word? Can you explain that word simple? That Sahalika have written that it is a simple quadrilateral with two pair parallel side. Vivek, that simple words can you explain? Plain figure? No. Okay, that is your homework for Riddhita and Vivek. Why it is simple? ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram. So parallelogram means that these two sides are parallel and equal, these two sides are parallel, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Now one thing students, ABCD is a rectangle. Sorry, ABCD is a parallelogram. So you can say, sir, cyclic quadrilateral. So you can say angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Why? Because ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral or cyclic parallelogram. That's why angle B plus angle D 180 degree. Any problem? Any problem? I have discussed in the chat. This chat will uploaded in YouTube chat. This class will. Oh, sorry. This class. Yes. This class will be uploaded. Okay. B plus D equal to 180 degree. Okay. Why B plus D equal to 180? It is given as cyclic quadrilateral, cyclic parallelogram. We know that sum of the opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. That's why it is given. Now, that is the property of cyclic parallelogram. Now, tell me what is the property of parallelogram? Sir, opposite angles are equal. Okay. So, opposite angles are equal. Now, in B, in place of D, you can put B. Why? Sir, B and D are equal. That's why I have replaced angle B by angle D by B. Okay? As B and D are equal. That's why that D is replaced by the angle B. So now, angle B plus angle B, 2 into angle B equal to 180 degree. Angle B equal to 180 by 2, that is 90 degree. So angle B is 90 degree. Similarly, angle D 90 degree. Now, we have already said that supplementary. We have comments a good thing that adjacent angles are supplementary. So if as it is 90 degree, it also be 90 degree. So it is equal also 90 degree. So a parallelogram, listen, a parallelogram, but having all angles are 90 degree. Having all angles are 90 degree. It means it's a, oh my God, Harit, now you are thinking about not that problem, you are thinking about the marks. I am spending so much words for that problem and you are thinking about the test. Leave it better. Next I will. So all angles are 90 degree and opposite sides are parallel and equal. So it is a ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. Got it, everyone? Any problem, anyone? Tell me. Okay, Riddhita, understood. Okay. So students, today I end this class here. Next day I think I should start from the next exercise. Okay. Thank you students, and I hope